Alright, let's start off by making our steak sauce. We're going to use olive oil, black pepper, salt, allspice, dried oregano, and finally paprika. We're going to mix thoroughly and then cover both sides of the steak with it and mix very thoroughly so that the flavor can seep through the steak. Then we're going to pour olive oil all over our pan and make sure to get that pan nice and hot so we can get a good crust on that steak. We're going to put in the steak very slowly and away from us. And then with that sizzle, you know you're going to get a nice crust on that steak. With 4 minutes, we're going to flip over the steak, and after another 3 minutes on the other side, we're going to start basting the steak with butter and garlic. Finally, we're going to leave the steak to rest for half an hour. We're going to cut into the steak, pour over the sauce, and finally eat. And it's delicious.